My bed is here. My bed is here. I finally have a bed. Ugh, this bed was such an ordeal. It took like 2 months. Now it's finally here. So let's go get the bed. My bed. My bed. Ugh. Oh my god, I have a bed. Thanks, Mom. Thank you, Mom, for getting me my bed. I don't think I like it in this position though. So now I gotta rethink my whole entire room. Which, by the way, is very messy because I'm in the process of cleaning it right now. And now I gotta think about reorganizing it. Alright, we're gonna do some thinking. Excuse me for a second. Alright, here is the new setup. Look at the new bed setup. That is gonna go away. Yeah, I don't know what to do with it right now. It's a little less messy. So now we've got it facing this way. And I got the sheets on and the quilt here. Everything's good. Everything's good. Also, haven't told you yet, but I got the job. Very exciting. So I start on Monday. Hi guys. Do you hear that? It's rain. It is rain. It's a lot of rain. Oh, and there's lightning. Oh my god, this is my first storm in LA. Sorry, it doesn't rain a lot here at all. And when it does rain, number one, it's rare, and number two, it only lasts like 20 minutes at the most, and it's like a drizzle. Crazy. Ah, more lightning. It's kind of exciting. California needs the rain because we are in a drought, like a major drought. So this is very good, this rain. And also it's just one of those things where it's like, this doesn't happen often here. So it's kind of exciting. We made brownies and it's girls' weekend. Girls' weekend! Look at those brownies! They look so good!
Good though. Thanks.
You're welcome. I was like...